and welcome back to Let's Talk by George. In today's video, we are going to review another MIUI modded ROM. That is right, our beloved device Poco M3 has received a modification MIUI ROM. Now the ROM is actually based on xiaomi.eu ROM, and as you can see over here, the MIUI version is 13.0.3, and this port has been done by our friend Arullev. He did an amazing job in porting this particular ROM or modifying this MIUI ROM for our device. So let us go to the old specification now. As you can see, it is actually having the RAM 6 plus 1 GB, and the Android version is 12. The Android security update is on 12th, December, and the kernel is the default kernel that we get. So let us come back and try to review the port. Now the app vault of this particular port do look like this, something new. And to be honest with you, the port is actually having a new launcher, which is actually based on MIUI 14, and you get quite a lot of customization from the launcher itself. As you can see, you can actually adjust the animation speed for the launcher, then system navigation, then -1 screen, and the home screen settings. You can have different sort of home screen settings, like you can have custom views for the home screen settings. So there are quite a lot of customization, and even there is an option to customize the home screen, search bar settings, and widgets, and blur. If you want to have folder blur, let me show you how this folder blur things work. So basically the background is being blurred out. So you get quite a lot of customization from the launcher part too. Many thanks to our friend for including this particular launcher onto our modified ROM. And arrange reasons, you can actually arrange the reasons into iOS style, which something looks like this. So basically as you can see, the animation is also very smooth too. So that is about the launcher part. And coming back to the widgets part, you also get quite a lot of widgets. So as you can see over here, all the new widgets are over here. So if you want to see it in category wise, definitely you can actually see it. So basically this is really great. And as you can see in the home screen itself, I actually I choose the iOS style clock and the weather kind of thing. So basically it somehow resembles the iOS style. So basically under the notification, you will have the ROM comes default monet enabled, so you can expect to have monet kind of things for your quick settings and stuff like that. And on the status bar, you can also see there is actually a monet enabled background for the status bar clock, which really looks nice, and the entire user interface is actually themed according to the wallpaper. So basically it is monet enabled. And also you can see on the settings page, the settings menu icons are also monet enabled. So really that is really a great thing. And coming to the notification and control center, you also have status bar modification. So basically all the modifications are actually stock kind of modification, so you won't be actually having anything new on it, apart from the fact that the status bar clock is actually having the monet kind of built thing, and the entire user interface is actually having monet. Now the ROM is also a little bit debloated, so basically you can see you can get to know that the performance has also significant improvement. Now coming to the dialer and the messaging app, the ROM is actually using MIUI dialer and messages app, and it is also based on xiaomi.eu ROM. So basically you can expect to have all the features and all the facilities that xiaomi.eu ROM has. To be honest with you, the ROM is actually really great too. And under the edit folder, since the launcher is actually based on MIUI 14, you can expect to have some customization which is actually present with the MIUI 14 launchers. So basically you can have you can edit the folder kind of view and stuff like that. So if you want to have a regular view, definitely you can have something like this. And if you wish to have a new kind of view, you can also change that. So that is something a new thing that's been added onto the port. And second, I mean the other thing that I just want to tell you is that the ROM is actually using Lexica camera. So the camera looks something like this, and you also have some kind of customization with the camera, and you can see how you can even enable to have custom watermarks and stuff like that. So basically you can add Lexica camera. So basically there is Lexica camera also available with the port, which is actually really a nice thing, and many thanks to our friend for adding this thing too. So once again I would say that this is an amazing port, wonderful port in terms of performance as well as stability. So I suggest you can use this modified port or modification xiaomi.eu modified ROM without any issue on Poco M3. This is just specifically for Poco M3, and you won't be able to flash the same ROM on Redmi 9T. Once again, thank you for watching my ROM review, and I would like to thank I would like to thank our friend for modifying this port for our beloved device. Thank you.